DC Smithsonian area. This is monument.
Okay, that's one.
Yeah, family.
We run to that side. Come, come. We run to that side. We run. Me there, come from this side. Leave your man. Where we're gonna run to? We're gonna run to that
this area? Oh, wait.
Let me go to our two Kiniju. Someone like no.
2, 3.
Oh, Errol. We can start using
Break. Take a deep breath. I'm sweating. I'm taking my shirt off. You did what?
But mommy,
What?
we had a picnic across the property. You let us swim.
Okay. Family outing.
Come on, let's go.
Smithsonian. More.
Allow me there and Elias come.
DC.
Come, Elias.
Okay, Elias, you want to say something? Oh, yeah. Midday, what do you want to say? Yeah, look the camera.
How about these?
You have to look the camera.
We're having fun.
You are?
Having fun.
And we are playing race.
You're playing race?
Yeah.
Who won?
3, 2, 1, race.
Who won? No, we're not. You gotta
No race. No race.
I won.
You can run?
No, I won.
Okay. Run to the pole and back.
Oh.
But watch people, you know. I'll take you. Go.
3, 2, 1.
I want to point, huh? I want to point out to Elias.
Sorry, oh my Lord, roll on.
This side.
This way, where are you going?
Yeah, you. This is us.
Mommy,
We're gonna go, don't worry. We will go.
Family.
We have seen the White House. No, we haven't. The last time we have been here, we saw it.
Marcus, no, we haven't. Fine.
I'm not focusing on it.
Oh, you see the place for Paula?
You see the white building in front of you, Marcus? The white building right in front of you. That's it.
Well, let's take another picture to change our diet.
No.
You said what?
And then Earl will take a picture of me, you, mine, and I's, and we change our Daddy family picture. Profile pic.
Okay. Get your phone. Lola Nikki, Nico, take one.
Okay. You do one of just the boys. You do one of just the boys.
Will you stop?
I can regular pace. Regular. Do portrait.
I saw butterflies.
Come close together.
I saw butterflies.
No, we didn't.
Smithsonian Mall. The National Mall, right? National Mall, DC. Hello, hi, how you doing? All right. Okay, we'll later on, sorry, because later. Oh, to be a walk, keep you there. That is the White House.
Okay, boya. Elias lè rí White House báyìí nísìn. Dúpẹ́, ó yẹ lè fi wọn hàn White House náà láti rí bí nísìn.
I'm riding my bike. I'm gonna
Okay, right there. That's the White House in front of us. People come here to come and take pictures and to see how it looks like. Look at it. A lot of space. You see the monuments right there. What they call that? I'll show something with a sword, flaming sword. You can see. See my cards. Well, you know, this is not Times Square. This is the National Mall, DC. So, we're crossing the street, walking. This is 17th Street, Northwest 17th Street. And then the cross street is E Northwest, here by E Northwest. Okay. So, there we go.
Okay, so